affect you in such a way na hindi mo inakalang you will debut as an artist? Did it ever, have a negative impact sa'yo?
It did po. I'm gonna lie to my face, I know. But, yun nga po, I am that person na I always use it as a motivation. Kaya po siguro din nandito ako kasi ginamit ko yung mga bully. I made myself better. Kasi parang minsan kalaban ko usually yung sarili ko. That's why I have a song, Leave Me.
Yeah.
Yung Leave Me po is about like, you wanna leave yourself, but you couldn't. Because ikaw yan eh, hindi mo may iwan. And there's a lot of negative thoughts po in your head na hindi mo minsan malabanan. So, yun po yung ginamit ko. Kaya siguro nandito ako po ngayon kung nasan man ako ngayon.
Thank you for sharing. Last na lang, you seem to be very invested and hands-on sa music mo and passionate. How hands-on were you dito sa Lockhart?
Very hands-on po. Parang lahat ng ginawa namin dumaan sa akin. And usually po, parang mas gusto ko ako yung gumagawa, yung sa, with the help naman po of our team. But like, mas madami akong input dito ngayon kasi nga, album siya. And ginawa lang po namin siya for a month or two. And not everyone can do that. So ako din po, ginawa ko lang yung mga songs this year. So pinarinig ko lang kila Attorney Honey and Attorney Aldwin po. Sabi nila kasi mag-send lang songs sa kanila. And then they liked 6 of my songs. So ayun po, naging album na siya. Pero yun, very hands-on po ako sa lahat. Ako pumipili ng ganito, ng ganyan. Kailangan gusto ko po lahat yung kasi it's part of me, very personal yung mga songs ko din. So I want, may input ako sa lahat po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's what's amazing about Zayla. She knows what she wants. She knows how to execute it. That's why kami nila Attorney Aldwin, we're like very, parang kampante already na pag umokay na kay Zayla, konting fine-tune na lang tayo, maybe like 1%. But other than that, kasi ang ears niya mas trained eh. Trained siya kasi she really does everything eh. Kulang na lang nga siya, di na mag-print ng tarpaulin eh. Talaga, sobrang ganda ng mga output niya. So, nung pinakita niya yung pinarinig yung mga songs niya, we already knew na madami dyan magiging hit. So, lahat yan, hands-on dahil kay Zayla.
Nung na-meet niyo ba si Zayla before, parang siya nakita niya yung talent, pero na-expect niyo rin bang parang medyo all around si Zayla? She has potential in a lot of aspects.
I met her lang, eyeball lang, nakita ko lang. And then, nung in-explore na nila Attorney Honey, Attorney Aldwin, nakita na meron pala siyang musical expertise and excellence. Sabi ko, kita mo, tama, buti yan napili natin. Siya na rin ang producer. Di ba? Magaling, kayang-kaya niya. So, lahat yan, all the music dito talaga siya nag-supervise. And she made sure na talagang sobrang linis.